Ngiyakhuleka besilo, ngiyakhuleka kwezizwe zonke. Ulesibili mhla ka-17 kuNdasa 2026 uNdasa uMarch kwabafundi e-multiracial. Thina safunda o-A, E, I, O, U, hayo o-A no-A, asifundanga lokho. Now mhlambe le nizodinga ngithi ukwehlisa umoya because i-critical ngale ndlela. It has been really difficult to work. Ngezathu zokuthi uyabona into mayisishaya egcekeni ugcina ungasazi ukuthi uphume kanjani enkingeni obhekene nazo. Just ensukwini kunokuphambana phakathi kwethimba ekufanele ngabe liphasiswa as i-Royal i-King's Council ingonyama eyaphakame esumntwana waphinda angene laphaya inkosi uZuzifa wakabuthelezi. Ithimba line challenge la eseljike number of times lingaphasiswa ikomiti because baze engonyameni sebene proposal. Ngifisa ukucatshiswa ngalolu daba ukuthi konje what do I do, because into ebuhlungu ubukhosi buzobonakala bungasebenzi because of izinto ezincane but engekho ncane ezinkulu. Mhlambe let me give you this background. Ku-government njengamanje kukhona uhulumeni wobambiswano ngokuka nationally, kuphinde kube nohulumeni wobambiswane ngokwe-province. Ngokwe-province olidwa undunankulu wesifundazwe wesifunda umnumzana uNtuli. Njengoba ekhona umnumzana uNtuli, ibudget yasendlunkulu kade sithi 86 million, last year isithe inyukile at 97 million if I'm not mistaken, or 87 million, 97 million this year if I'm not mistaken, but inyukile from 87 million 76 million efika kwaba 86 million owakwaba 89 million waphindwa to 86 million. I think this time it's 97 million if I'm not mistaken. A royal household nabanye. Before ngingene kula ama details engiyakubona, the royal household enenkinga yokuthi abasebenzi sekunesikhathi eside kuthiwa bazonyuselwa amaholo. Kunabasebenzi bebevele bekhona kwingonyama eCotton. Kunabasebenzi abasahola u-4,000, kunabasebenzi abasahola u-2,000. Ziyangishisa ke mina zithi mana magebe. Fanele thina sime nendlunkulu, siklina amagceke asendlunkulu, fanele sime nendlunkulu, silekelele ibayeni zendlunkulu, ukhuluma indaba zamanye ama companies, ukhuluma indaba zakwenye indawo, but ezakithi indaba uyishiye phansi. Thina namanje even incwadi esayibhalela uPremier sikaze size entertain. What are you going to do about it? I-advice yasekuqaleni kwakuthi cha silandele imigudu yonke. Likhona i-office eliqondene nalokho, ondini niyalazi, niyabazi obabusipho, niyabazi nabanye. Ake nilikhulumise udaba before silise, ngoba evidence ngisuke ngingakabi nayo ayikho into engikwazi ukuyikhulumisa. Okay, nginama bank statements, nginama proof of ama payments, incwadi nayo yonke into. Kubhlungu ukuthi idle egcekeni, but angikwazi ukuyibuyisela kwingonyama because ingonyama yathi mhla ilanga yanginika ngale office Mageba into yokuqala esingikhubazile. Ngicela uqinisekisa indaba ukuthi abantu abasegcekeni bayahola. Yayikhuluma ngeinduna zamagceke, ikhuluma ngabantu abasiza abaklina, ikhuluma ngabantu abasiza e-office, ikhuluma ngayonke including uFaku personal office of His Majesty. Nabanye uFaku even said imali yakhe iholwa womunye umuntu e-office of the Premier asebenza khona. Well ama office kendlunkulu ahlukene, if you don't understand that ukuthi maningi ahlukene ngegaba zawo. Okay, Now, if kuguthi there's a problem, yet there's a budget enkulu engako, the very same office isizwe sithuka indlunkulu ngalo, sithi imali idliwa indlunkulu, abasebenzi bakhona bayitholile imali yakhona. Abaholi imali ecomplya ngokomthetho. Then what do you do then? Okay? Bebe lokho bengilindele ukuthi hayi ngizolikhulumisa udaba ngilwise lize lifike la livela khona. Then uyafika kuyalwisana ama office ngaphakathi nalo udonsa ubheka le nalo udonsa ubheka le imoto ayikhokhelwa amatekisi la asuke ehamba yakhona ngokwama departments. Remember ukuthi ikhona le budget ka 86 million esikhuluma ngawo noma ka 97 million this year officing of the premier esingazi ukuthi so account asithini ke or upremier uzo account athini ngayo, because we still need ama financials akhulumisa lokho thina esikwazi ukubona ukuthi yenzeni le mali. Again indlunkulu ibingahambi ngalezi imoto ezikhona kulama office because sekuthiwa at least iofficer lazi 2 months before. Makufanele bahambe ilaba bama committees abasevayo, ama dispute resolution committee oba nobani indlunkulu kufanele ihambe yo attenda, amabutho kufanele yo attenda, kunezinto including things that we have evidence. Even ingonyama ithi ikhulumela ukuthi ngize ngaxhaswa ukuze ngihambe ngiye Dubai, ukuze ngihambe ngiyokwenza ukuthi size sadla umphako ebekufanele uvele wherever lo vele khona ukuze sihambe wehamba noNdlunkulu kaMawewe at the time. So uyibuza ukuthi ke hayi bahlali, hayi nihlale nikhubaza istructure abantu abazi kuthi hayi mntwana engathi uyayikhuluma zonke ezinye ukhohlwa ilezi ezilapha egcekeni sesigwinye lishisa kwanele. Sesigwinye kushisa kwanele. Abasebenzi abadala belokhu bekhona, kunabantu ingane zabo esezeza phinde zasebenza ama Royal Guards nje, khona ama Royal Guards amadala begqoka uniform before the Royal Blue le abaye bayibone isemva ngengonyama noma labe ngihamba nabo. Khona enye endala abawobaba babo nama aseba amakhehla njengamanje. They've been working endlunkulu since uhulumeni waleso sikhathi akwazi uactivate ukuthi baseve indlunkulu. Welcome amaphoyisa kabhunculwa ke ezigodlweni sekufanele umuntu ayihlanganisele iprivate security enze njani ngendlela agcine begadwa ngayo ama properties athinta indlunkulu. Nansi ke inkinga ke ukuthi labantu they've served abantu abaholayo today for bona ukuze bahole in government. Indlunkulu fanele ibhekiwe, the very same people namhlanje are not taken care of. Angibuye ke ngize ke kuma structures agazethiwe asemthethweni ka government that are frustrating the very same ndlunkulu. Hayi bahlali ngaze ngicabanga ukuthi ngoba isilo besihlangene no president, ngoba besile kuphi, ngoba sihlangene nobani zinezinkinga zakhona zonke. Amakhosi aseva ngapha ku Eastern Seaboard nakhona anama challenges akhona nanamhlanje ukukhulunywa nje ukukhuluma ngamadamu nje agcina akhiwa konke ubele as we preparing for that development. Amakhosi athinteka anezinkinga zawo wonke, and abantu bathuka banegcineni bathuka indlunkulu. Coming back to this again kunalama forums abelokhe khona, amanye ama forums aqeda ukamendwa. Ngithi ke mina bahlali, let me make you understand this, because angifuni ipolitiki yakhona siyithathe lightly because it's way beyond what we think. Isile sikhotheme size sifika la esikwazi ukuthi asibe independent through the stakeholders. Mhlambe kuze kudayiswe imfuyo abantu abasuke beyiphe ingonyama as a gift, kube nama auctions because ayinayo imali yokondla ifamily yayo, ayinayo imali yokwenzani. But there are people who are there who are benefiting from the very same money that egameni lokuthi yendlunkulu but ingafika endlunkulu. Yayizishi ingonyama ekhotheme ithi kuhlala kuthiwa nginobani million, angilazi ngisho million mina likahulumeni ngikhuluma ngawo nje. Mawungathi nje angilibekela lelo million ungabe ukhuluma iphutha. Nanamhlanje amanzi njengoba nibona igodlo zihlaza amathangi ayafakwa yimina namanje engisasenenkinga nabantu ababefaka la amathangi. Even the department eyagcina yenza ikwiri zayo ezophinda ibuye manje izokhankasa ngayo ngesikhathi sika Mam Edna Moleyo, kwaze kwangena Mam Nomvula Amakonyeni, kwaze kwangena uMacingwane, kwaze kwangena uMinister khona manje namanje sisaseyinkantolo ngalawo ma issues. ngalawo ma cases. Ngikhuluma mina ngamanzi afakwe igodlweni nenjini phampela igodlo. Kade kuvele kuyi-function ye-district, but because bayakhankasa and u-ANC mawukhankasa uthatha i-budget uthi repeat response budget ayingayi kulo masipala weqembu eliyinkatha eliphethe lapha bekuphethe ne-NFP ngaleso sikhathi before eliphethe lapha akube ukuthi uminister is responding to idingo. Wele kanyongoma ke was special from the other projects because ngesikhathi kuliwa kwakuyindlela yokustabilize those negotiations abenziwa kusekhona ubaba uBheka Ntuli uminister uMEC uBheka Ntuli may his soul rest in peace ndaba ezitha Nkosi yamzalwa umntwana ubaba uBheka Ntuli bekusakhona bona kudeploy uBheka icele lapha besebenzisana nobaba uMangaqa to stabilize into yokubulalana kwabantu bakaNongoma at the time 2013-14 nanamhlanje lezo imali zalabo bantu aze bakhokhelwe till to date sihamba inkantolo ngakho lokho bakrosiswa amaflow abantu kuze ngabulawana ngebhadi wagcina edujuliwe futhi ubaba uNyembe khona kaNongoma angikwazi ukungena kulawo ma details but the politics akhona kwispace sethu asiniki problem ngoba ubukhosi nalama politics vele akhandelwe lama politics to frustrate lobu bukhosi obuna solid structures okuyibona ophethe abantu okuyibona ophethe even to a what level and uma ufike igcemene igodini la esekhona khona operation sukuma sakhe ngizokhuluma KZN esekhona khona operation sukuma sakhe kunenkantolo yenkosi isebenza ibhekene iziqu zamehlo nenkantolo kabani yekhansela ikhansela ehlala iterm ka5 years ihlale nawo wonke ama service delivery services la but ukhosi ngala fanele bunganikwa lama resources service delivery at a what level because they wanted to penetrate the space samakhosi using ngoba amakhosi ama majority beyinkatha. So ANC had to come up with another plan that is going to work for them. Now, ngesikhathi kwenziwa zonke lezi zinto. Remember makuzoya kwavotwa ngekhodesa kuyanegotiatwa kunegotiatwa ke istate sase KZN the only province that has a title deed. Makunegotiatwa lesi state there are people who started the process with umntwana kwaphinda angeneleyo who have been in government since that time. The likes of Professor Othi Nxumalo Usihlalo where Oppenheimer and Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi Foundation. Le Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi Foundation and the institution ebikade inheritwa Prince uZuzifa at the time osekuyinkosi uZuzifa othathwa zokwenza uRoyal King's Chancellor King's chair wase King's Council office. Maningi lama office kune Royal Chancellor eqale ngalo yanyaka nje ngoba isilo sekhothe emisilo but ama preparations for that office ayevele khona now ila sekhona khona inkosi uZondi ekhona khona umntwana uMbambo sekufike umntwana uAfrica as udeputy lama office aya createwa njalo but issue again laba bantu mabe createlwa lama post awekho job description yakhe akazi kahle kuyavela incwadi appointa ukuthi overall is to do this do that eminye imisebenzi igibela phekwe yomunye from the Royal Chancellor's office from the King's office from whatever office from the stakeholders office nobani okay amanye aza recognize coming back to into ethi that council ephethe office la kaMntwana kaphinda ngene ibe nama issues ngesikhathi umntwana uAfrica spokesperson weNgonyama athi futhi usebenza ne stakeholders office seNgonyama athi umntwana uAfrica wavimba ukuthi Ngonyama ayinga recognize this council because wayefuna naye ukuphusha zakhe izinto okay till to date line problem eoffice ngiyakhumbula nje ngaleli langa kwakhona ngalo uRogers uMEC ka finance eze emashobeni ngalelo langa uprof wayekhona naye ngalelo langa and ngalelo langa ilanga indlunkulu yayihlalela ukuthi umkhosi wamagaba umkhosi ifirst fruit ayisezoba ngoFebruary ngoba inyanga izobe ingagcwele kanjani njalo kufanele ibuyize ngapha ngeke ngakhuluma kakhulu ama details la prepare ukugonqa before kiwe sandlwana lawa enzeka athinta kakhulu indlunkulu la isilo sisuwe somhlabelo wesizwe khona. Now iyabuya ke inkulumo izothi sinenkinga ukuthi how do we move forward, because the very same structure sinikwe u18 million by office of the premier. The other side lithi bafuna ukuthenga imoto zabo labo bahamba indlela zabo nani not saving ingonyama. Leli side elithinda bona, they've tried a number of times ukuhlangana egarden court ukuze bayiseke ngendlela ukuze ingonyama bethulelwe ngonyameni ukuthi yes the structure esokwazi ukusebenza nengonyama. Inkinga ke enkulu la iqala khona laba abantu abakhishwayo o abanye babo kufanele bakhishiwe. Okokuqala uJaji uNgwenya uyavela either kubakhuseli besihlalo elahlalisa ukuthi ingonyama ihlale bese sihlalweni elalikade ku Professor Othi uChairperson walo baningi kabanye abathindekayo lapha bakhona. So uJaji uNgwenya akhishwe kwingonyama Trust Board. He serves on other boards as well. Amaningi are critical. Akhishwe kwingonyama Trust Board ngo 2021 if I'm not mistaken. And kunama allegations inzokhumbula icase eyagcina kufanele amaphoyisa ahamba ayothola omgwengwe for evidence and for ama statements awo asekumahawks. Kim nje kwafika uZuma ngoDecember osebenzela amahawks uDecember walo yanyaka ezothatha ama statements sebezohlala nabashushisi because sebebuya kumgwengwe regarding icase ka judge ebekade kufanele ngabe uyaboshelwa yijudge ka 41 million zokhumbula u41 million lo enye yafike ya engayanga Southdale eyaku Jafta and others imali kwakuthenga ngayo umhlaba waseHammersdale uthengwa umasipala weTheku yasuka kuma conveyances yakulabo bameli kanjani emva kwalokho kwaphinde wahamba u6 million kanjani and lo 31 million okwenza ukuthi kuthiwa yathathwa emalini yasemakhosini yathathwa kwi-account engonyama Trust Board yaphuma ngenkulumo ethi kulo 12 billion owafakwa in 2 tranches. Ngizokhumbula ivideo kaJaji ngayiposta before eyafakwa in 2 tranches. uJaji lathi kimkhona leyo mali asikayikhuluma indaba yayo kodwa uma ungenzela ukuthi iphume within 5 days uzothola u10% ubani u5%, but uma uyenze yaphuma kusasa uzothola u10 ubani u10% wayo. Bese ngithi mina cha lo 10% unikana amakhosi because nafika nithi nina le mali yamakhosi. Ngifuna evidence yayo yonke at the time. Remember ke basebaxabene no ambassador nabama abe intelligence namahawks ayekade tholile information thizeni yokuthi kunale mali le fanele kusayine bazama ingonyama yangaqualify ukusayina because kwakusayina ingonyama ekhoteme then sekufunwa mina ngoba imali injanjanjani no ANC babebala ngisho didiza lapha ukuthi kade beyizama nabo nobani bani kuziphuma ukuze ANC ukhangathe ngayo leyo mali. Okay, leyo case kuze kube manje ayikazi izibophe. So uma iphuma le mali uma ngiye officeini kwingonyama trust siyavela istatement ukuthi ngathi yangena le mali. Kodwa uma ingena le mali akwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani makunjanjani ngathi yayiwashwa kunjanjani, but istory ezophendula lezo mase kufanele bahambe bayeboxini labo abathintekayo. Ngikusho ngamabomo njani ngoba ngifuna ukungena kulawo ma details ngiya kule nkulumo engiyikhulumayo. Hayi nangempela kushuthi uma ikhuluma bazokhumbula nje amakhosi bengihamba na ngaleso sikhathi because inkosi uBele yayikade serve kwi board before inkosi uMavundla sayagcina ingakwazanga ukuparticipate kulolu daba. Inkosi uBele yayikade serve before kwakhamba onkosi uShange lapho namakhosi nje lamanye amadala amakhosi abekade lazi udaba kufanele adile ngalolo size sigcina sibase ko Sportback Mandawe konkosi uCele kuhlangana lawo makhosi efuna ukulungisa lo daba. uJaji esebalekela mina benomkhwanazi ngesizathu sokuthi ngelanga ekade ethi uyosayina ngayo lezo imali zamakhosi wathi mina ngimbekela itrap because uyazi ukuthi nginabantu asebezombopha phansi kwahlangana noXolani Khumalo ezoreporter ama cases bebuya ukuze eRichards Bay nakule case manikhumbula kunoCluster General Thizeni okwakadekiwe kuyena baze baphuma ngesamagundane ngoba bathi behamba namaphoyisa kwathiwa hey ningayi lapho bajikake basala bodwa koXolani lapho batatazela ngapha kosho kwathinta cable theft athinta amaphoyisa Richards Bay yakhumbula ukuthi uNtuli wazi wathi uyayisupporta the initiative saze sayina kumntwana uThulani kufanele kulungiswe leyo program khona so uyabuya kuzo report uXolani Khumalo bamazi ukuthi sizokuthola abantu bebengazi ukuthi ezinye indlela izinto ebekade isetshenzwa uXolani beyiqala phi igcinaphi zithinda nobukhosi iKZN even ama drugs abebanjwa komtateni abebanjwa kanjalo 80 million no bani so mangabe efika ujaji benomkhwanazi the former CEO of Ingonyama Trust ujaji ngaleso sikhathi is a former chairperson of Ingonyama Trust Board and umkhwanazi is a former CEO of Ingonyama Trust Board and ba ama directors ke baselenele ukuba ama directors eNgonyama Holdings which trades as entity as a fundraiser and also ngokwezimali on behalf of Ingonyama Trust Board ngoba inemgomo nembandela la iphelela khona somewhere but bona bakhona manikhumbula Ingonyama yaze yajuba inkosi uMzimela kwangathi kuyaphambanwa nalapho inkosi uMzimela yaphinda isinkosi uTembe kwangathi kuyaphanjanwa khona lapho kwangafinyelela la kufika khona but finally they were able to ukuthi bakhiphe ojaji as ama signatories lapho kugcine kungena abanye engeke ngisawabala lawo makhosi akhona namanje kwingonyama Trust Board ingonyama ke zama ukushintsha leso structure again so ujaji ke abaleke lapho because uhlangane noXolani ngathi ababebedla icrew la ahamba nayo bebehamba bebala ko14 nonkosikazi wakhe kuyena the producer wesizokuthola ngasikhohla igama lalo yasisi kodwa ele umvende so nangempela balokhuze mabedibana downstairs baseza kimi phezulu le lounge afika bashiye khona ugqokile lezi zinto zakhe eziblack ama bulletproof akhona bagqokile bayabonakala and team yayehle nama camera because iyodla phansi mawukuthi uyayazi Radisson Blue le airport eGoli uzoyazi ukuthi imi kanjani so bayodla le team ahamba nayo but yena nonkosikazi wakhe beza kimi khona ne evidence yaleyo nto so mabefika kanti bafika ojaji bangena oXolani bangena emnyango bangenisana sebebuka ukuthi uganti ubaba umkhwanazi bese umuntu engathi angabona emehlweni edonsa indodana ngaze noma engabona emehlweni noma engasahambe kahle edonsa indodana so indodana iyamrecognize uXolani from ilokhuzana isizokuthola iTV ibatshele ngalesikhathi ngithi ababe grab lapha iexecutive lounge yakhona isukiye yalabo abantu abayibhukhile kusho kwa kuyimina nalabantu bama bakhona kuphela kuyona iexecutive lounge yakhona epresidential suite yakhona yama suites lawe executive so uma bengena kukhona ozo represent indlula mithi kukhona ozo ngoba mina ngifihla utho phela mangenza ngizofuna evidence uze ngangena kuzo represent abameli abazomela lento engiyenzayo khona because ngifuna evidence akukhulume iqale ngingalazi mina kukhona ujaji uhamba naye ulona kukhona ovela member of parliament ebikade ithinteka ku intelligence nento yoma social and what not kukhona lama it was before those ambassadors because we are preparing to meet for we are meeting ukuze siqede izinto ezayisuggestwe ibona before kufike laba okuyibona ekufanele bakhahlelise le mali itholo so uma befika ke bathi mabesho nakhona bathi lo 10% abathi bawunika mina which is 1.2 billion lo bawunika mina athi umkhwanazi ngoba uthi imali yamakhosi le phela yayifunwa ngamakhosi ngizothe yabani thina sizodesigner iproposal ezosho ukuthi le mali izophuma kanjani ngithi mina as long as nenze ama foundation amakhosi wonke imali iye direct to ebukhosini ukuthi nenza ama project ngale nenye cause vele neziteke ningayihambisini I don't care ukuthi nikwenza kanjani nangempela umkhwanazi the former CEO abe umuntu odesign ama proposal ama sanitary towels kwakufanele baqedele iclass lasejozini thizeni kanjani because enye into edina isizwe kakhulu bengazi ukuthi yenzani ama royalties abo ama contributions wabo these millions ekushiwa ukuthi kungene so much money nakhona ever since ujaji ekhona kuthi abenga auditwa wonke amabhuku up until kufike this timber elifike lendlula mithi sengena omngwengwe as CEO no kukhona no ku-actor lamakhosi ingonyama ekadibanikile before izingenele kwiboard bethi bahlonza ama projects for indawo ethile kuthi ingonyama transport iyokwenza ama-sanitary towels for iy'kole eziwu-1000. So wonke lama royalties angene in the form of ama-rentals amamoli, angene ngama-farm thizeni, angene ngey'mayini thizeni, wona khanda ama-sanitary towels. Angiquestioni lutho. But i-proposal engayilethelwa ekwakufanele siyibuke ke si-break it down because wathi uzoyi-emaila uMncwangu senanama-voice recordings alapho, ama-phone calls nayo yonke into. uMkhwanazi yayifaka ukuthi izobreakwa kanjani this budget. Okay, side isitori sakhona sifanele ngabe siyimela sodwa nje kufanele ukuthi sichaze sifake yonke lento. So up until kufike la abaleka khona kujaji ngoba mina shuthi ngifuna ukumthumelela ngoxolani ngoba usetsheliwe abaleke athi uye airport makufanele uMkhwanazi ngoba ufike nawe uthe ukhulumile nje naye into esibangayo kenye usesukuma uthi wena mntwana futhi ungikhiphile mina kade ngikuthathe into my confidence ukuthi ngafike ngatholani ngikhuluma ngeNgonyama, ngafike ngatholani ngichaza nokuchaza ukuthi umntwana akaphinda angene wenzani wena wadedela ama-clip ami mina ngikuthembe kanjani. Ngikuthembile ke ngaxolela kuleso simo ukuthi ukwenzile lokho because you knew ukuthi already I'm under investigation but you didn't tell me. Ngiyakhumbula nje ukuthi ngamfonela even kwayona iNgonyama Trust hayi angichazeni ubani lo mntwana obamba ujaji uBhozo ulele ngaxolisa ukubiza igama lo baba omdala ngegama ngoba ekhaya ukhona ubaba uBhozo. Ubani lo bambe ujaji ngoqukulu ngoba hayi uyayithulula ngisho abanye abasendlunkulu babeze basho. Kuthiwa nina benimthemba kanjani kanti lo mntwana because wake wadlala iclip irecording yeNgonyama ekhuluma neNgonyama as noma ethi kwakuyi-evidence eyayisho ukuthi iNgonyama yahamba yesibhedlela ingadunguzeli ukuthi kwenzakalani naye akazi because he has evidence. Ngiyayikhipha ke mina that recording engakwazi ukuyi-accessa ngendlela engayi-accessa ngayo because iyayisho iNgonyama ukuthi irecorda because from time to time mina bengichallenjwa mina kaZulu. Uma ngabe iNgonyama ithi yenza ukuthi uyobizwa amazinyane esendlini esigodlweni esithile a-challenge lokho, uyobizwa ubani a-challenge lokho, ubizwa ubani a-challenge lokho. So yathi recorda ngoba uzoba nenkinga. Now ngiyayikhiphela ke indlunkulu which worked for them ngaleso sikhathi kwabasebenzela but kwakhona abaquestion ukuthi vele benimthemba kanjani okwaze ukurecorda umntwana. Asho ke nojaji uhlupha ukuthi uyarecordana wena mntwana. It has worked for me. Nokuba ngila ngikhona today, noma abantu bangithuka bathi mina ngenza ukuthi imabe exolisa bayothi hayi sesiya understand ke manje ngoba kwenzeka ukuthi nokuthi kumanje babuza mina ukuthi amaxoki ondlunkulu indlovukazi ezala iNgonyama kumanje uNdlunkulu uMchiza usehambile xolisela namazinyana athinta yena ukuthi wayephambene ethi isilo uZonda Magwala wazwa accommodate kwakhe wazwahlaselwa amaphoyisa banjani kodwa ngoDisemba kade umntwana uthula ubheke bebela ukuthi labana amaxoki enzene uyabona mangathi ukhuluma indaba zasendlunkulu uphathwa yikhanda. Yikho ngithi ngoba uthi usuku ubuma isikhotshwa ngirekhodeni ingane zakwethu ngoba ngiyayimela mina into yamenzakala baboda babuza ukuthi ngoba wena uyalazi ifa lahamba lafika phi pho uthuleleni mangabe indlunkulu yenza ukuthi nokuthi uhambisa umntoro wenzani. Angitholakalanga ukuphawula buyelana emavidweni enu niphinde niqhathe nawo manje akhulumisa izinto ezenzakalayo bese nizibona ukuthi ngamaxoka ahamba afika phagcina bantu bakaZulu. Ngiyaxolisa ukusho njalo ngoba niyangizala ngiyayixolisela but iqiniso yilo leli lisho njalo. Coming back to lolu daba ke okay then up until kujaji ke aphume nango sekuthiwa usehamba nomntwana obumonisi balokhu befaka iNgonyama transport enkantolo ngesikhathi sekukhona between kukhona inkosi uMzimela nenkosi uTembe at the time kube yiphithiphithi kuyale agcina ngibalekela kujaji ngize ngahlangana naye nje sometime ngo November noma December egarage laseNandi Drive ngaleso sikhathi ehambela nje sibheke north sonke but ilokho ngangimgcine lokho egcwala inkalo lokho nokuthi ama-Hawks enzani angifuni ukukhuluma udaba lama-Hawks ukuthi kwenzakala nake nibukela omadlanga nje nokunye koyivukela amakhono okuvukayo akusindaba yami. So now coming back to ke udaba elingenza ukuthi ngize ngicala udaba likajaji khona lapho kunabathi abakwazi ukusebenza nojaji because ujaji uthinte kodabeni lama park home akanongoma enkantolo yona enkantolo engonyama kahle kahle osuthu la kusofana behlala khona ingonyama ngoba before ibe ingonyama iba inkosi yestate nemakhosini lawa ayaphethe umhlabathi awakaZulu so uyinkosi yasosuthu before ukuba ingonyama ngoba usuke seba yikhanda lendlunkulu makugcina kuyena oyingonyama so lapha yana kuzothengwa amaphakomu akhomba 283 million mangaphosisi u1.283 million kuyavela ukuthi ngathi wona athenga ngalo 283 million but ukuthi imillion lashona phi nakho sekuthiwa ke uDr Khumalo ekade usihlalo lapha ubese challengeana nojaji ngoba kubuzwakala ukuthi imoto etheni ithengwe kanjani njani angifuni ukungena kulawo ma details kuphinde kuyabuya kuzoba nodaba lokuthi ngeke sikwazi ukungena ngoba umfundisi uThula Sizwe kumanje uyathinta kodabeni lokuthi nokuba kaboshwanga it was because umntwana wakaphinda angene wamela yena ukuthi umfundisi uThula Sizwe ngeke aboshwe ngoba kunjani njani kodwa liyaziwa icala elokubulawa kabani olundi yale hayi bahlali manje thina fanele senze njani ke fanele kube ubani owenze njani and wesi zonke lezi indlela zinama signature kajaji akwazi ukuthi uma kufanele kuhlala izinto kufanele athi vouch for zona ujaji uyakwazi ukuyiphikisa because isignature yokuqala eyahlalisa ingonyama trust no mntwana wakaphinda ngene ujaji was there since its inception wesingonyama ekhotheme ayisekho eke yathinteka kulezi zinto eyagcina understanda ehambile lendlela. Does that mean kushuthi yonke le process ngeke iziqhubeke because leli thimba liza no judge futhi story sangapha si justifiable na mhlambe si justifiable but then how are they going to work then ilihamba udaba ludlule I'm going to get to amagama ngizowafunda ngoba kuthe kusuka kune house of traditional leaders ye province la inkosi uShinga ozihlalo khona iKings etshwayo eyayixebula kuyona yathi ngeke iziparticipate iyahlala then iKings etshwayo inesithangamisayo but iKings etshwayo iyabuya engama members enkatha efaka amakhosi engizowafunda la ibuya isizoba njani izongena King's Council ekubeni yona ayingeni kwiprovince la unkosi uShinga osihlalo weprovince akhona yisithangama esiyimele ekubeni yahlangana nojaji ukuze kulwiswe ingonyama ngesikhathi bela behlangene nomntwana umbonisi kuyiwane kuyiswana ezinkantolo eMaritzburg hey wabahlali nakho ngizophathwa yikhanda ngiyeza nendaba now again kunomntwana uJabulani ibona abangenisa ingonyama esibayeni ngesikhathi kuqala ngesikhathi nje indlovukazi mangabe izotshalwa isuke eMaritzburg ibutho nje kwakuyibutho eliholwa umntwana wendlu yasezulwini lo wakithi umntwana uJabulani o abantu bamazi bazi ukuthi isigwili sase Richards Bay so laliholwa ibona umuntu uJabulani mhlambe nabanye ke bayathinteka khona but bonke laba bantu abafakwe lana bonke bane stories zabo ukuthi ubani une story sakhe nobani une story sakhe therefore uma ngabe kune list ekuyona efunwa ingonyama yona iyaclasha nabanye abathintekayo lapha yet there's a budget from the previous budget ka 2025 engayikhulumisile sonke lesikhathi even previously na before that engayikhulumisile zonke lezi zinto nezimali ezithintekayo usamfakile ke lo 18 million uPrime but yebo kugazethiwe kunemthetho keminingi ke thinta yonke lento mhlawumbe ngonifundela ngesinye isikhathi ukuthi ikhandela kanjani ioffice elithile likhandeka kanjani li structures ka government lela zona structures ka government leli ligazethiwe lela lifunction because ingene bani so now sinembi ke manje thinta inkatha engasathinti no ANC nobani ngoba nobani ukuphi nobani ubani no president ukhona khona lapho president unabantu bakhe abatshalile khona lapha egodlweni okuyibona aba driver ama process yethi khona bayi project sekuzokuzongena no Senegal no Gumede ke manje abayi project ka president njengoba uMancinza ngaphezulu Royal Chancellor sexhumane no Gumede kade ikuyivele kuyibona uGumede no Senegal ekufrandwe ngayo uGumede ukuthi kuthiwa ibillionaire ayikho lento yothonga athi Yulet yeyi bakwethu yeyi ngibondekile mina ekhanda nabantu kufanele ngisebenze nabo sibondekile but iproblem akusiyimi still anginifundeleke the submitted members of the Royal Ilokhuzani Forum. It's still a forum. Inama members maningi yebo, but forum 2 iyona zohlanganisa isigungu lesingonyama ekufanele ithi mayisi approvile kodwa bangakhishwa bonke laba bantu abafika bethethiwe ukuthi abangene ngabo. Kodwa ingonyama inga-eda ngeyababo efuna uku-eda ngabo. Ingonyama kukhona engahambisani nakho ngapha engakwazi ukuthi ifunzwe bona. Angifundeke ngoba mina ngisazi ngishonephi. Futhi ngizobonakala ngifeyila ama-office amaningi ngoba mina ngisazi ngenze njani. Somewhere, somehow, they'll have to meet somewhere on the ground, bemithana. The offices of His Majesty, a private office, elibhalwe kwi-letterhead yalo lelo khuzana le forum. Phezulu kunomntwana uJabulani wasendlini yasezulwini ekuzalwa kumntwana ozala mina. Phezulu kunomntwana uThulani waseyibindini as number 2. Yakhumbula impi kaMntwana uThulani no faku ukuthi ubani wenze njani but kade behambile futhi bekhona ebukhosini baNdamase bonke. Yikho ukuthi ungazingena indaba zazi uzokuphathisa ngekhanda. Mina kuphela ngibuza ukuthi nginamangani mawukuthi kwenze ku1 no2 no3. Ngale kwalokho angikhiphi isinqumo, ngale kwalokho angidirect umuntu ukuthi akenzeni. Mina ngihlala pha kwama facts, ngihlale phezulu kwalokho ekuthiwa ngikwenze ngaleso sikhathi. Kade sebehambe bonke. Khumbula khona lapho kukhona bathi umntwana uThulani ubhizi ufunza ingonyama bonke labantu bakhe benkatha because ufuna ukuthi bathathe isikhundla lesabathembisene ngaso ukuthi omunye uzophatha iprovince bese umntwana uThulani ephatha iZululand yena njengomasipala. Hey webahlali awuthi ngiqhubeka ngiyajuluka manje khulujulukiswa izindaba. Mawuqhubeka kuvela uPrince Tuthuko Buthelezi wakaphinda ngene kubhalwe kanjalo kushuthi kusukela ngesikhathi kwabhalwa ngaso. Mawuqhubeka kubhala uPrince Qaphelani before that umntwana Thuthukani Zulu wakanxangiphilile. Kubhala umntwana uQaphelani wakwaNdwalaza. Kubhala umntwana uVusi eMahashini. Kubhala umntwana uBhenkosi oSuthu. Kubhale ukhishwe ngubani umntwana ukhishwe ngubani wasegazini. Kubhalwe umntwana uBhenkosi wasoSuthu. Kubhalwe umntwana Bambindlovu wakaKhangela. Kubhalwe umntwana uNombuso wakakhetha. Kubhalwe umntwana uMukelile wakaLinduzulu. Kubhalwe umntwana ukwazi kwenkosi akabhaliwe isigodlo but bayamazi umntwana ukwazi kwenkosi ukuthi owakuphi. Kubhalwe umntwana uNtokozo waseNkomba abantu. Kubhalwe umntwana ongabhaliwe waseHabeni. Ngicabanga ukuthi basho bazothi umntwana omkhulu waseHabeni inkosi mhlamba. Ake ngizeke kwi proposed council since 2022 bahlali. This was written in 2022. Kusehla kwenyuka yona ke kuze kube manje. Ngoba abapropose bathi abakhiphi umuntu la. Ingonyama ingasuggesta ukuthi izofaka bani ngoba banezathu zokubafaka ababafakayo. Emakhosini ngokwama district kuvela inkosi uMlaba yaseThekwini, kuvela inkosi uZondi yakaMpumuza eMgungundlovu. Kuvela inkosi uNgcobo ugu inkosi uNgcobo district manager wasogu ngaphansi kwe district uChairperson ngokwamakhosi. I think inkosi uShingo khona ugugu kodwa ku district inkosi uNgcobo ewusihlalo khona. And then inkosi uQhiliza eHerigwala. Kube inkosi uBhengu inkosi uQhiliza uDeputy Prime Minister. Inkosi uBhengu kwiLembe. Inkosi uZulu eZululand. Inkosi uGumede eMkhanyakude ubevela futhi ngapha kwingonyama transport. Inkosi uGumede eMkhanyakude. Kube inkosi uMazibuko eMzinyathi. Kube inkosi uSithole oThukela. Kube inkosi uZwane amaJuba. Kube inkosi uBhekuzizwe ubiyela waseKing Cetshwayo. Abashoke kobiyela ngoba kukhose khona Mombeni, kukhose khona eMahlazeni but ngizoqhubeka ngifunde njengoba kubhalwe akhona amakhosi maningi. Inkosi uDlomo ayibhaliwe yakuphi ngiyacabanga ukuthi basho kwiLembe futhi nakhona. ilembe nkonje ngale okay kube inkosi ubuze inyosi ubuze tshela umdletshe kube inkosi usibonela umkhizi yasothukela kube inkosi ucebekhulu King Cetshwayo kube inkosi uNtombela elikwazi kube inkosi uMpungose ondini kube inkosi uMadlala yaseHerigwala kube inkosi uShinga usihlalo wamakhosi kube inkosi uZungu inkosi yakaMadlebe le ese King Cetshwayo also now kuphinde ke mabesuke bezokhulumisa ke lesi sigungu baphinde basihlanganise nesigungu sabakhuseli besihlalo abakhuseli besihlalo kunabanye abavela khona abavela abanye khona la that's why khambe kuvele no judge phakathi inkinga ke manje isele la ekuthenini ukuthi these parties anama allegations amanye ngamanye ukuthi khona abanye abaka General Mkhwanazi ababhizi bakhanda amakhabhali wabo njengamanje abazoba kumhla 17 nje yangena into ye security kusukela namhlanje koze kube ulesini ifacilitatewa go General Mkhwanazi bonke the security personnel engigcine ngingazi ukuthi konje mangigcine ngiattenda lapho ngididekile ngixakekile angisazi ukuthi kupho kuyikhona ngiyangapha laba bangapha ubufunani lapha yana ngoba kukuthi nalapha yakwenzeka lokho angicona ke ngiqhubeke nesizwe ngibe business sizwe ake kube resolveka lama issues ukuthi kanjani nama ngisazi ngiphambene inhloko but mhlambe because all parties nginasiqiniseko ukuthi all parties ayangibukela ngenzela ukuthi abayifundeleke kwezabo ukuze bazi ukuthi bazoyisolve kanjani inkinga yabo ngoba uma kunezinto ezihambe ithinta omfundisi uMusa Zondi uma ihamba ithinta ogwala ezinye ihambe ithinta amakhosi thizeni since 94 abanye abathinta abathizene bebelokhu besayina government since isikhathi esithile abanye bebelokhu besebenza indlunkulu kwi district abanye basebenza kuma structures abanye basevile ku government abanye baseve prof baseve kuhulumeni wangesikhathi sikamntwana waphinda ngene kunama institutions that were inherited by ukhosi akhandwe ngepolitiki osekuclasha njengamanje kahle kuzogcina kwenzakaleni now ngizoyishiya ndilenga kanje le ngapha on the other side amasosha anenkinga yokuthi i-verification process ibhizi ukuze amasosha ahambe emakhosini yakwenza umsebenzi wayo nama-assets obukhosi le process lehlalela 2 months la imba lezi indaba lezi amasosha angasa-understand kanti yini inhloso because already uDMV ne-presidential and task team le elethiwe eno General Mashwala they already know ukuthi ngeke benze lutho ngama SDUs kanti why are they interviewing deeply bebebazi ukuthi bona i-priority yabo bazela military veterans how do they qualify how do they check ukuthi when you qualify ukungena la njengoba bekhona sonke lesi sikhathi bathe i-province selokhu uqalile not i-province ever since beqala verification process mhlambe babalelwa ku 500 njengoba kukhulunywa nga thousands and thousands abawa verifyayo abantu abaqualifyile as military veterans who qualify for the benefit akabani aka DMV the very same people abathi mangabe kuyiwa kwiCodesa uma ngabe betha amabhunu niza nabantu abangaki ngoba thina siza nepersonnel ama thousands and hundreds and thousands amasosha nina niza nabangaki at the time it was favoring ANC they lied and said bana 20,000 wamasosha. We don't know if they were lying. So if they said they had 20,000 wamasosha, they ended up submitting plus or minus 12,000 wabo labo bantu. Kubona though abanye bakhona were non-statutory forces ngokusho kwabo. Okay, bekwa non-statutory forces wonke lawo ezohlangana kuze kuphuma lo SNDF. Then bakwazi ukungena kwi database. At the time bekuvuna bona because bekufanele amabhuna angabona ukuthi baphandle ngokwembi kwaze kwaphoqa ukuthi abahambe kungaba ama SDUs vele wodwa befake nama bani SPUs la befaka nalaba benkatha nabanjanjanjani. Okay, then they were able ukuthi bayithole lento bebeyifuna bayiachieve. At the time, since that time up to now, bebe ku government u-ANC unamandla okushintsha the whole system, okay, up until kufike upresident uZuma, after ukuthatha over from upresident uMbeki akwazi ukuthi kugcine kutholakala ama benefits alawo masosha agcine kwazile ukuthola ama force numbers nakaza ukuthola ama CPR numbers angena ku database ka DMV. Anama benefits okwakhela izindlu, pension yabo and what ukufundiselwa ingane nanani abangawathola abanye bawo namanje ekulokhu kuliwa impi yakho. Ibudget iyaphuma unyaka nonyaka bebalwa amakhanda mhla kokhankaswa bayabathatha bayobashisisa ngelanga abavimba ikhulu benze yonke into abahambe bayobhaga bayepi abahambe bayoshaya in lawo masosha kuyabasebenzela sonke leso sikhathi. Inkinga ke manje esivela ukuthi njengoba kune GPU ne GNU iKZN isebenze kakhulu ngani ngalabo abantu bama operations abahlukanisa ngokuthi bekwawo ukuvika impi ngaleso sikhathi plus or minus 20,000 who died ngaleso sikhathi sempiyani epolitical. Baphinde bethi kunalabo betrainelwa ukuthi bazoya somewhere else. Or go Valmastal or ban. Mhlawumbe ko 89 ban 87 89 gale la. Already as the department in Zo verifier, you already know what you are not going to do anything about those SDU members. Never recorder. Man ka duba recorder. Niyabamba ukuthi kwafabani kuphi nani. Obese kwenza ukuthi amasosha asayi lapha ya. Because thina fanele manje siyochazela laba bantu who are not part of these operations, who are telling them clearly ukuthi they are not here for them. Wesike khona ba faile ukuba ama SDU members. Ba faile ukuba ama SDU members nje kuphase omunye ukuba iSDU member leyo. Kade bekwi same operation. Nakhona ku verify abantu bako Goli boPitoli bako Northwest bako Limpopo. Who doesn't know the operation ase KZN? Abangahlalanga ngisho eGauteng mhlambe la cishe kwaba nezinto ezifana ezenzeke KZN ephinde zenzeke go eGoli kulama hostel o20 akhona eGoli. Uyafika kuzo verifier awuyazi into ebiyenzeke emandleni izokwaziwa njenge camp yenkatha. Nabantu ababesuka lapho awuyazi into ebiyenzeka koMaqonqo, awuyazi into ebiyenzeka ko South Coast kokuhlukana kwegodi, awuyazi into eyenzeka ko Richmond ko Xopho, awuyazi into eyenzeka ko Nande emalokishini nani. But you uqala uba interested, yet already you know ukuthi this information, there's nothing you are going to do with this information. It's neither here nor there. Ukuthi lo uthathiwe uyi-SDU member kade bekwi same operation ngoba kwakuthiwa ba defend abantu abanga attack noma benze njani iziphi izinto elaqeqeshwa ngazo kwakuyibhamu kwawobani ocommander bakho was it regimented or not regimented nafundiswa march and drill nenzisa ukuthi nokuthi. There's a lot of contradiction in that space. Now laba bantu fanele bathola imisebenzi ethi ngoba sekuthiwa amasosha amanye awombomayi amanye amasosha kunabantu abavelana ngaphandle kuthiwa khona abangadingi ukuthi baze bahlale ngisho 5 minutes makuverify because the moment esitshela ukuthi ubephumile ngaphandle icommander yakhe ubani wasebenzisa mophumzila wenzani uya qualify. And then there's a communication and there's a confusion kumasosha azothi mntwana uwena kuphela ozosikipha kulolu daba. And some of the panel members athi uwena ozosikipha kuphela kulolu daba because le nto thina esiyilwayo la sesiqala unga-understand ukuthi why u-ANC ufuna this information because abanye baze bagwetshwa nokugwetshwa begwetshela lezi zinto 10 years obani years saboshelwa zona. Abanye bethu baya kwi-Truth Commission siyawazi ama-victim lezo zinto. Abanye bethu njengamanje zikhona nezinye ephinde zaqhubeka izinto between inkatha no-ANC. Ibhadi ke sibhekene nalo mntwana elokuthi ngenxa lohulumeni we-GNU